think we love you. We are twins, but we don't have the same hair color. But we love each other so much. But we don't. I don't love her more than you.
We coming from Denmark, and Denmark is the best you never have seen. But you was a little town city.
I went to your concert, and Herning is a shit. There's only sheep and cows there.
Oh, bitch, that's right.
You don't have been to Copenhagen and Amager.
Party!
I can tell you.
This is
the real
the
life.
Jews by city, and it's the party every day
Oh,
in
yes.
Denmark, in Copenhagen. Herning sucks.
Yeah.
Yes,
That's right.
You was not the correct place.
no,
Det kan man ikke sige.
Jo.
You wasn't the
It's not
good
fair.
place.
you think we are nerds, but we are hotties
She's
in
a
Denmark.
She's a nerd.
Yes, she is a nerd.
Yes.
Yes.
Both
of you
is geeks.
The falling snow.
We don't care.
On
We just wanted to say that we love you, and we should be your one less lonely girl.
And me.
And Belinda.
Oh,
And
yeah.
Sandra loves
lol.
Khalil and not you. She's
lol.
a dickhead.
Don't talk about Khalil.
Khalil is my boyfriend. I love
You. We
I
love
love-
you.
I cannot.
Be
You stayed here. Khalil stayed here. I
You
cannot.
can be. This with Khalil, and I can be this with you. Hey.
I cannot
mine.
walk vælge. På dansk vælge, okay?
I
With the
cannot
Danish
choose. Or
I cannot choose.
Pick or choose.
I will have your
Pikachu.
boat.
Pokemon.
Pick or choose. Pikachu.
Pokemon.
You are my Pokemon.
Pokemon. You are my Pokemon. You are my superhero.
You
You
game
save my
Poke-
days.
I love
when I'm down, you
main-
save my
the-
days.
Never
the
say
game-
never.
the
Never
game Poke-
say never. There will be
Never.
some times in your life
Yeah.
when people say that you can't live your dreams. But this is what I tell them.
Never say
never.
You.
And we have seen your movie.
Yeah, I went to the movie and saw your movie.
I have
We have your sunglasses or 3D glasses or what the fuck it calls.
yes, it's so beautiful. Genial.
I don't like him, but I like him because
It's so
there
beautiful.
is Justin
Clover.
Bieber on it, and it's purple like your favorite color,
And mine.
and
mine.
Belinda's favorite color.
I'm having this for you. Eller
For me,
I have this side.
Because I believe in God.
because we believe in God.
Only God can judge me.
Yeah.
Denmark er
You're my God.
Denmark is the
She get the necklace when she.
Danmark er det her, det.
not Israel.
Denmark is the best. Denmark
is the best. We
In
have
Denmark-
we have a Jesus and
In Denmark
and,
we are Christ. Jesus.
we have a Jesus.
We believe
More
in
than
Jesus.
in
We believe in
in
God and
in
Jesus.
Israel.
And we believe in you. You can
yeah.
all you want.
Get
And
Get
all
God.
that said that they hate
Whatever.
you, I just say fuck them because
I love
they
you.
don't
And
need
then-
to hate you. They
No.
need to love you. You
Jeg tror, man
can
får det i Danmark.
you can like not
I think
like you.
Jesus was
Born
born to Denmark.
in Denmark.
In
See ya,
Denmark.
Don't
bitches.
talk about Jesus. Talk about
I'm a
JD.
bronc. My yarn,
Sig nu
my
farvel til
head
Justin.
in
His brain
Sig
is
farvel
not-
til Justin.
Bye, Justin. I love you.
I love you, but I'm stupid. In my
She's a
head.
little bit dumb.
I'm wrong. I'm Kinoiso.
And